Hello students, welcome to my channel Maths with Pannu. Today I am discussing with you the concept of median. To understand this concept, we take an example. We have an individual series X in which we have terms 2, 6, 4, 5, 0, 2, 1, 3 and so on. To calculate the value of median, first of all we write all these terms in ascending order. In this order, firstly we write the smallest term. Smallest term is 0. And we write the terms as their increasing order. After 0, we write here 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We write all the terms in ascending order. This is the first step to find the median. In the second step, you count the terms. We have 9 terms. When we count these terms, we get n is equal to 9. What is n here? N means number of terms. Now, we see that 9 is an odd number. What is an odd number? Which is not divisible by 2. Here, n is odd. So, we apply this formula. M is equal to n plus 1 upon 2. We put the value of n, 9 plus 1, we get 10 by 2. After cancelling, we get the answer 5. But 5 is not our answer. We see the fifth term in our series. Let me check. First, second, third, fourth, fifth place. So we get 3 on our fifth place. So our answer is 3. Median is 3. Now, if we take any other series, like as above, we write all the terms in ascending order and we count these terms. So we get 6 terms overall. 6 is an even number. An even number is that number which is divisible by 2. So, if n is even, then we apply this formula. Means, if n is odd, then we apply the above formula. And if n is odd, then we apply this formula. Individual series, only these two formulas are there. So put the value of n, we get 6 upon 2 plus again 6 by 2 plus 1. After cancelling, we get third plus 1 and we get fourth term. What is third and fourth term in our series? You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. In the third place we have 3 and in the fourth place we have 4. So put the value of third and fourth term. After adding we get 7 upon 2 and by dividing it we get our answer. That is 3.5. Now, we see the median in discrete series. You can see here, in the discrete series, we have term in this manner. We have the column of x, in which we take the numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, and we have an frequency column also. And in this column, you have these type of numbers. In discrete series, we have two columns. One of x and the other one is frequency column. First of all, you find CF. What is CF? CF is here cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency table? First of all, you write the first number as it is. Then you add the second number in the first. Then you get 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. After that, you add 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. 14 plus 10, you get 24. Now you add these numbers directly and you also get the same answer. 24 is the last term of your cumulative frequency column. Now we apply the formula of median is equal to n upon 2. N upon 2 means summation f upon 2. After cancelling, you get 12. Okay. Now your median is 30. Well, you can also use n plus 1 here. What is n? N is 24. You can understand that? Now we add 1. 24 plus 1. Now you get 25 upon 2, and after cancelling you get the answer 12.5, that is near about 12. Now you can see the value in this column, and 12.5 lies in 14, and before that you get your answer 30. So the answer is 30. You can use both these formulas. Now we move on our continuous series. When we are study this series, you see here we have on class intervals like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and you have your frequency column also. This is your continuous series. This is the most important question for 12th standard. Now, first of all, we find our cumulative frequency column and we add the numbers as we add in our above question. So, we write the first number as it is, that is 3. 3 plus 4, you get 7. 7 plus 7, you get 14. And by adding the 10 to the 14, you get 24. And when you add directly these numbers, then you get 24. Now, we write our identity, that is equal to m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into h. What is n? You know n is summation f. By dividing this, you get 12. And you see the value of 12 in your cumulative frequency table. You get 14. Now, all values move round this number. You can see the number which lies above this number. It is our CF term. What is CF? The number lying above this term. You get 7, your CF. And the number in front of it, you get 7. And you can see the arrow and you get your lower limit 20. 30 is upper limit. We need not this limit, so we use 20 as our lower limit. Now the question is, what is h here? H is the difference between the limits. You can see, well, all the differences are same between every class interval. You can see between 0 to 10 the difference is 10. Between 10 and 20 the difference is 10. And between 20 and 30 the difference is also 10. So the value of h is 10. Now put all the values in your identity. Lower limit is 20, n by 2 is 12, CF is 7, and f is 7 and put the value of h also. Now by solving it, cancelling 7, subtracting 7 from 12, you get 5. After solving, you get your answer 50 by 7. By dividing the 50 by 7, you get 7.1. By adding this, you get your answer. Now, for verifying our question, you can see that your answer lies between this class interval. You get your answer between these limits, 20 and 30, means you are right. Now, I repeat my concept. When we study median in individual series, you have two cases. If you get an odd, n is here number of terms. When you get an odd and an even, in the odd you use this formula, m is equal to n plus 1 upon 2. If n is even, then you use the formula n by 2 plus 1 upon 2. In the discrete series, you also use n by 2, or you can also use n plus 1 by 2. But for the 12th standard, this formula is not more useful. You can study only individual series and for continuous series. For the stat students, it is useful. So, you concentrate on the individual and continuous series. Thank you so much.